Now, how do you use the Notes app on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, on your iPad, naturally, you locate the Notes app. And when you go to the side panel, you can see we have a couple of different categories. So you might have your iCloud folders and also on the iPad local folders for your notes, right? You can manage it all right here. You can create a brand new folder, but that is just for the organization. In order to start a new note, just click on the pencil in a square. You can see a new page is going to appear. So at first you give the note a title. It's going to be in this like high or like bold lettering. The title will be much larger. So, you type something in. Then you go or tap on the enter or return key and you go back to the body of the note. This is where you can type in your notes as usual, right? So every single thing or a text or whatever can be placed in here. Of course, you can add like different things, like you can attach some to-do list or even the table. You can attach some files like photos or even PDFs, whatever, right? So you can just work with that. Keep in mind, however, that we also have the formatting option, which is the AA, and this lets you insert like another title, heading, subheading, or even make the letters or words underline or strike through. So many options right there, so you can play around with it. But at the end of the day, you need to know what you're like writing down, and you get like the whole idea behind it. But also one last option which I want to mention is the markup tool, which when you enable it, it will like dedicate a part of the note for your drawing, right? So it will turn it into a canvas. You can see we have the pencils right here, so you can choose the different colors and thickness and whatnot, and you can just draw inside of your note right here, right? So that's pretty useful. Of course, if you have Apple Pencil, it gets even more precise, but that's how you do this. This is the note, and that's how you can use the notes on your iPad. This was, of course, just a general guide. So for more like specific tutorials, make sure you are subscribed to this channel because I have so many of them coming up and also already available. So make sure you do not miss those. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.